Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Narfatini Aisyah binti Zakaria. In this video, I want to share what type of loan that we can get to buy house. Nowadays, many people like to buy a house or like to invest for a house, but they do not understand in detail what kind of loan that they can get. Before that, I would like to explain the basic concept of how a loan works. We need to understand this thing first. Okay, let's see together. Bank make a business. But what did they sell? Actually, banks sell products and the products are loans. So, banks sell loans to borrowers. These borrowers, on the other hand, borrow money for their various needs such as buying a house, buying a car or loans for business. So, when the bank gives the loan for borrower, the borrower need to pay back to the bank and borrowers will be charged some interest rate. The interest was actually the profit for banks. Now, I will explain 3 types of housing loans offered by the bank for you to buy a house and which one you should choose that suit your financial situation. Okay, let's see the first loan, which is basic term loan. If you use basic term loan, monthly insurance remains the same throughout the loan period. For example, you get the loan for 30 years and the required payment is 500 ringgit per month. So, the amount to be paid is fixed 500 ringgit per month until the end of the stipulated loan period. The point here is that the interest rate does not change and it fixed throughout the loan period. This type of loan does not provide the flexibility to make an advance payment. If there is an excess payment you make on the monthly installment amount, it will not reduce the principal amount but will be counted as a prepayment for the next installment amount. Next, the second loan is semi-flexi loan. You are given permission to reduce the principal amount by making an advance payment. Any excess payment, you can ask for permission to reduce the amount of principal. There is little flexibility on this loan where you can choose to settle the loan earlier or choose to reduce the interest rate money charged on the loan. You can also withdraw the excess payment if you want to use it in a desperate situation or face financial problems, but you need to apply to the bank and you will be charged or have to face some process to get the money. The third type of housing loan is full flexi loan. This loan gives you complete flexibility for you to reduce the principal amount indirectly, speeding up the payment and will reduce the monthly installment. For example, if you earn more money, then you have the option to reduce interest by paying the principal more. But if in that month you do not have enough money or desperate, the excess money you have previously paid can be taken back and will not be subject to any charges or complicated processes like semi-flexi loan. How can this be? In fact, the bank has linked the loan account with the current account. So, when you deposit money in the current account, we reduce the principal amount on the loan. Only often, full flexi loan give more expensive interest and the current account will have a maintenance fee. So, which one do you need to choose? Either basic term loan, semi-flexi loan, or full flexi loan? It depends on the type of income you have. If you are a salaried person and have a fixed income every month, you don't want to think monthly installment go up or down, so you can take a basic term loan. But if you are the type who has variable income, it means that your income fluctuates, where usually someone who owns a business, your income sometimes you get more or sometimes less. So you can choose either semi-flexi loan or full flexi loan because when you earn a lot of money in that month, you can reduce the interest rate of the loan and you can pay more. Now you know which one you have to choose. That's all for me. Thank you.